Welcome back everyone. For today's track day vlog, we are at the legendary Laguna Seca Raceway, home of the Corkscrew, and today, home to your boys that start racing. The main goal for today is to follow along with Thomas as he attempts to smash his old record and set a new personal best. But we've got some extra goodies in store for you too. First of all, there are a ton of insane cars to look at on track and in the paddock. And we're actually meeting up with our friend Anthony, who also has a GT350R. Plus, thanks to our friends at Lightspeed track events, we even got a media vest to show you guys Laguna Seca like you've never seen it before. So grab your food, sit down, and buckle up. This one's gonna be fun.
Let's go start racing, boys. Forgot my Garmin, but it's alright. Got the transponder, ready to rock and roll, baby.
Little check-in here. Tom just finished his first session. Anthony is out for his second one, so we're gonna cross the bridge real quick, get some shots from the inside. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the view. Beautiful day so far. So we're gonna keep it moving, keep enjoying. One of my favorite things about coming out to these track days is seeing the variety of crazy cars out on track being used the way their designers intended. There were McLarens, Ferraris, an actual NASCAR, a Tacoma X Runner, and many Porsches. Oh yeah, even Anthony stopped by for a pic. After soaking in the view and the sounds for a few more minutes, I made my way back to the garage to talk to Tommy before his second session.
Alright, so out here at track day Laguna Seca with Lightspeed. Beautiful day, sunny, 70, slightly cloudy. So good track conditions with the repave and all that. Just got our first session done, getting ready to head out for our second. Actually set a personal best in the first session, so that's pretty cool. The time was a 1:43 something. I try to look to improve on that because there's some areas I could definitely improve on. I still got to work my confidence down at turn 2 because that's a little scary. Coming in hot, and then you got that hairpin right there. Downhill braking zone. It's a tricky corner. Really, I'm just trying to carry enough speed through trail braking through turn 2, 3, and 4, and then 5 also. Just working on the things that I studied, the notes that I took. Trying to get quicker. Already got quicker than last time. Way more comfortable than last time. Especially running the apex rims. I can get real close to those sausage curbs you don't want to hit. Definitely noticeable. And the times reflect it. Making progress. That's all we got for right now. I'm gonna go hop in the car for session number 2, and then we'll get back to you after that.
right, and we're back. So session 2 done. Good stuff so far. Got a little lunch break right now. Take a quick second, grab a bite, grab a drink, and then I'm thinking we'll do a little grid walk. Show you guys all the cars that are out today. And then we'll check in with Tom and Ant in a little bit. Well, 2 sessions in, how you feeling?
Man, tired. It's been an intense day. It's a little warm. It feels good though. Nice weather, but other than that, I feel good. Definitely getting quicker out there. You know, fun driving with faster cars too. I feel like they pull you along.
Yeah.
Forces you kind of like to level up.
Cool.
So, it's been good though, man. Good day.
Bummed you missed out on the Garmin?
Yeah. Blew it. Freaking blew it, dude.
I wonder what your times would have been with it though.
Probably would have been quicker, huh?
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Or some canards here maybe. More on that later. Just hanging out though. Lunchtime's ending. Tom's gonna be rolling out again soon. We'll be back at it. Hope you guys are enjoying all of the shots from the photo zones here. I feel like we got some crazy shots. I hope I found a way to tie those in without being all crazy, swapping back and forth and all that. Here's Anthony's. Literally the same paint, bro. It's crazy. They're just dead opposites on their stripes here. Oh, and he's got the canards. Crazy. I'll see if we can find Ant in a little bit. Chatted up with him about the car. I may even try to get a ride along in too. So we'll see. I'll catch up with you guys too. Session 3. Let's get it. He's got a ride along this time, so should be good. Got all the cameras on.
Maybe a crash? I'm not sure what happened. Maybe.
Looks like there was a little incident. Someone went off at 2. Lost a wheel, they said. That's not a fun day, but luckily it looks like they're okay. So I'm gonna restart in a second and we'll resume. Last session. I'm about to go on a ride along with Tom. So gotta go sign a waiver, put a helmet on, and jump in. And then I think that session 4 is gonna be it for both us and Ant. So we'll run this, we'll watch Ant do his session, and then we'll probably be calling it a day. So hope you guys enjoyed. Talk soon. It's like some roadkill out there. Oh, nice catch, good catch, good catch. Oh my God. Beautiful. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Good catch. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Good catch, good catch, good catch, good catch.
We'll call it a day on that one.
That's a good one to call it on. That's probably gonna have to be its own video. Yeah, I don't think I can show all of that. You had it though, good shit. Session 4. Anthony's all set up. I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but so basically there's 2 intermediate levels. Anthony's in intermediate 1, Tom is in 2, so that's why they're not running together. It was unfortunate because we wanted to see them line up, but next time for sure. And next time we might not even have to come out to Laguna. Ant was saying something about maybe coming out to Sonoma, so you know that'll always be good. More Shelby's the better, in our humble opinion. So. Welcome back, sir.
How do you do?
How you feeling?
Pretty good. I think I might have set a PB.
Okay. You got your transponder on there still? Gotta check it out. What was your PB before this?
148.9.
Okay. Nice. Into the 40s?
148.9. 98.1.
Hey, yo.
Take it.
Faster and faster, bro. Good shit. Hope we got some good footage on the ghost mount there.
Oh, dude, yeah. Thanks for letting me borrow it.
Yeah, no problem. I'll put whatever I can together and then I'll shoot that over to you. Good day. I think we're gonna call it here. You're done too?
I'm worked. So
All right.
load up and head out.
Right on. Well, we're wrapping up here too. We'll check in a little bit. What a day, what a day, what a day. That's gonna be it. Hope you guys enjoyed. That ride along was insane. I know that footage is gonna be crazy. Trying to get better about doing these in-between interviews and catching up with everyone, but there's so much that happens at the track, I'm not always able to. So I appreciate you guys for watching. All corniness aside, dropping a like actually does help. And if you didn't enjoy, drop a comment and let me know what you'd like to see more of, see less of. If you want to see more driving, less talking, maybe the opposite, whatever the case may be, let us know. Drop a comment on what you liked or didn't like so I can make it better for next time. And other than that, yeah, that's gonna be it. Appreciate you guys. Start racing.